It's about the evolution of a really popular actor out there named Harrison Ford. He went to school up in Wisconsin, and he left for Hollywood with his school sweetheart, and it became his wife. And he wasn't in the beginning, didn't get a lot of parts where he made money, and so he became a carpenter. He taught himself carpentry, and he was pretty good at it. He later did a movie called Witness where he had to do some carpentry work in there, and it was all right up his alley. At any rate, when he was starting, he got a small part in Apocalypse Now, and he got a part in George Lucas' film called American Graffiti. He got 10 nights' work at $500 per, and so that kind of and at that time he was a successful carpenter. So later on he would go to work for Lucas, and it took a while in the Star Wars efforts. I think it was the fourth movie before he started making some decent kind of money, which was like $400,000 or $500,000, I think. And but with the Indiana Jones franchise, according to Steven Spielberg, he owns parts of four different states, so he's done pretty well in that. Maybe back-end deals or combination of that and salaries and so forth, but he's done really well. And I mentioned the one movie is one of my favorites called Witness, and I really like the first Indiana Jones movie. I haven't seen Star Wars at all, but I have seen American Graffiti a lot, and so it just an evolution of a guy going to school up here in Wisconsin, and then going to Hollywood, and then trying to make it in the business, and realizing that it takes a while, but once you gather up a head of steam, and it kind of can work out pretty good for you. And he's also got a hobby of being an aviation guy. He's got helicopters and several planes and so forth, so he's done rather well. I think I might do a review of more detail of one of his movies, maybe Witness or Indiana Jones. So we'll set this for now.